Alrighty guys, we got the trailer all loaded up on my truck. This is the first time putting the trailer on an 8-inch lift on my F350. But we're gonna go pick up the truck from my girlfriend here in a second. Alrighty guys, we're on the way. Pulling the trailer. EGTs look good. It's all looking good, so start filming when I get there. The trailer here. Here's the truck. What do you want to take this top off?
Yeah.
All right.
Top off first.
So we're gonna try to pull it out with the Jeep and get it on the trailer. But here it is. Alrighty guys, so we're bringing the Jeep over. We're gonna hook it up, pull it, try to get it on the trailer. Because currently it doesn't run, but here it is. Good little truck, you know. 110,000 miles on it. Get this all set up. We got it out of there. Now we're gonna hook up the Jeep and pull it on the trailer. Yep. Yep. Go left a little bit. Or right, I meant, right? Yep. Yep. All right, that's probably good right there, right? Put it in park, you got it? All right, she's on. Max, you could shut her down. Shut her down. All right, all strapped up. We got the title. I just paid the man, and we got it all loaded up, strapped down. So now we're gonna see if we can get this thing out of here. But yeah, it's a pretty good looking truck. You know, pretty badass. That's my bro. All right, guys, she's all loaded up. I'm gonna try and make it up this big old hill. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, we got that. Sweet, on the way home. Alrighty guys, we got her home. Now's the fun part, starting to work on it. In the next video, we're gonna clean the whole truck and start messing with it. This thing's gonna clean up really nice with the pressure washer. Thanks for watching, have a good one.